Hello and welcome. Welcome to this short video. Now, if you're watching this video, you're here for one thing and one thing only, and that is you want to know, can you make money from trading the financial markets? Now, my name is Malcolm Pennington. I'm the owner and the founder of Globit Wealth Academy, and I'm going to ask you to enter your name and email in the box just below this video right now. But before you do that, I'd like to give you some examples of what our members are generating on a daily basis using what we call our robotic copy trading system. And you can watch some examples of this system in operation by watching the videos at the bottom of the page. We've got 4 videos, so do watch at least one of these to give you some idea of what to expect if you decide you want to upgrade to our robotic copy trading system. Now, we do call it a robotic system. It's not at all robotic. It's not automated in that sense. It's purely a copy trading system. But you'll see that the results speak for themselves. The members are generating very good returns on a daily basis, and none of this requires any technical know-how or previous trading experience. So if you like what you see on those videos, then enter your name and email in the box below this video. And I'm going to give you access to this system. You can try it out for 14 days. We have a special offer on right now. And this special offer allows you to try it out for 14 days for just €10. And there's a thank you for entering your name and email in the box below this. I'm also going to give you access to our ebook. It's a 29-page ebook. Talks all about trading the financial markets, but specifically how we trade what we call the DAX and the Dow, and how we do that with our robotic copy trading system. So if all that sounds interesting, do take action, enter your name and email in the box below. You're going to receive access to this ebook and also full details of how you can register an account with our regulated broker, which is BD Swiss, fully regulated, and you're going to get excellent service, and you're going to find out how you can generate completely passive income using this fully automated system. So thanks for your time today. Do watch the videos at the bottom of the page, enter your name and email, and I will see you on the inside. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.